Here we will see how to reverse the string. In first approach, we use the StringBuilder.reverse method. This program reverses a string using Java's built-in string builder class. First, I create string variable called str and assign hello to it. The string builder is mutable class used for string manipulation. I pass the string into new string builder into bracket str. This creates a string builder object containing hello. Then I call dot reverse method. The reverse method rearranges the character from last to first. The reversed value becomes OLLEH. I store the result into string builder SB. Finally, system.out.println SB prints the reverse string. And after that, we will see the second approach. Using character array and swapping, we will solve this problem. This approach reverses string manually using character array. First, I convert the string into a character array using toChar array. The array stores each character separately. H, comma, E, comma, L, comma, L, comma, O. I create two pointers. L is equals to 0 and R is equals to ARR dot length minus 1. L points to the first character, R points to the last character. I use while loop and L less than R to loop continue swapping. A temporary variable stores one character during swapping. The first and last character are exchanged. After each swap, we increase L plus plus and R minus minus to move towards the center. Finally, new string ARR converts the array back and prints OLLEH. So, if asked which is the better, the string builder.reverse is the cleaner and preferred to production code, and character array approach useful for understanding logic and interview problem solving.